Welcome to our tutorial about integrating Salesforce with Slack using declarative webhooks. In Salesforce, you can send big deal alerts to your users using Sales Cloud. But what if you want to use Slack for receiving those messages? Or maybe you want to send an urgent message to your product support channel in Slack whenever a case is created in Salesforce with urgent priority. I'm Atlas, and we have a simple scenario today where we're going to send a big deal alert to a Slack channel using only a few clicks, a flow, and using native functionality of Slack. We have a detailed guide on our blog and other Salesforce integrations that you can check out at omnitoria.io. So let's begin. The first part of this integration is to sign up for a trial edition in Slack and then create an app, which we have shown in our guide. After you create an app, you need to enable incoming webhooks feature. Incoming webhooks are a simple way to post messages from external sources into Slack. After this, you need to copy this URL, and we're going to use this URL in our outbound template in Declarative Webhooks. After you create your webhook and receive that URL from Slack, you can create an outbound template in Declarative Webhooks. And if you look at the fields, the callout URL is the webhook URL that we got from Slack. The callout method is post. And the main object is opportunity because we're going to send an alert to Slack if an opportunity is closed won and if it's above a certain amount. In the next screen, you're going to define a request body. If you look at the Slack documentation, all you need is a text node. And because Declarative Webhooks supports formula, we're going to use the opportunity name and the amount. And if you click, you can define your formula like this. We're going to use the opportunity name and the amount field. And the value source could be a field or static value or custom metadata or a custom setting. You can also have different data types. And after you define this, let's go to the next screen. In the next page, if you want to save the response, you can define a response body here. And if you continue, you can update a field on the opportunity record in our case, if the callout is successful or not. This is very useful for logging purposes. Let's click Save, and our callout template is created. To call our outbound template, we need to create a record flow, and let's look at the criteria. If an opportunity record is created or updated, if the stage name is closed on, and the amount is, let's say, greater than 5,000, we're going to call a Declarative Webhooks action. And in this action type, using developer name, we just need to give the developer name of the outbound template, which you can find on the record itself. And the key part is providing the ID of the record to start this flow interview, which is the opportunity record. And after you do this, you just need to activate your flow, and let's test it out. Now let's test our integration by updating this opportunity to the closed won stage, and we'll see a new text message in the Slack channel. There you go. Hopefully this video is useful, and be sure to check out more examples at omnitoria.io and our YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next video.